Hello everybody, this is Doug from Dark Water North. Just posting a new video here. The quick reminder, if this is your first time on the channel, please subscribe. There'll be a button coming up here shortly. Tap the button, like the video, and don't forget to join in the giveaway. Check the playlist and you'll see all the knives that are going to be given away. It's a great deal, and all you have to do is subscribe and comment. So let's start off with the Sogzilla. We're doing a quick review on that right now. As you can see, it's a nice looking knife. There it is. Comparison, the Sog Flare, which I have a video of this knife on the channel. Slightly bigger and a great opening mechanism on it. And very affordable. This one is the ambidextrous opening with the thumb hole, and likewise the lockback, and you can open it either way. Now let's go over a few details of the knife. It's a folding pocket knife, of course. The blade is 3.25 inches long. It weighs 4 ounces. The overall length is 7.35 inches. The steel is an HCR13 mauve, and it's hardened RC to 5758. The steel is actually really sharp, with a glass reinforced nylon handle and a satin polish. It's an everyday carry, and this deep carry pocket clip, of course, it's not reversible. It is removable. Some people don't like pocket clips. You can just take it off and get rid of it. There's also a small hole here for a lanyard if you so desire. And of course, as I was mentioning earlier, the lockback. Some nice aggressive jimping on the thumb ramp here. And this knife has like a curvature to it, kind of Spyderco-ish looking, and some aggressive serrations on the blade. The blade is a hollow grind with a drop point and a little bit of a clip off it here. Some narrowing of the top of the blade, but it's not sharp at all up here. Nice belly right here, and some great serrations. Very sharp. Came like this out of the box, very affordable. Just give it a little test here. See, look at that. It's not even, barely effortlessly cutting through that paper, no problem, of course. And now this is like extremely hard wood here that I was going to use for a knife handle, and this is like gnarled maple, and it's just like whittles through it, no problem, man. We got some softer wood here, and of course it's not going to have any problem with that at all. The blade comes extremely sharp. I do have a little cordage here, which you can get a slice on it through the belly of the knife here, no problem. And of course with the serrations, which are really great for cutting cordage, that's not going to be a problem at all. Look at that. Barely even tried, and it just cut right through it like a razor. So there you have it, folks. This is the Sogzilla by Sog, of course, and it has the textured handle, very similar to the Sogdelica, or the Spyderco Delica. And you can see it here. It's very similar in size, but the pocket clip's reversible in this one, but it has a lockback the whole 9 yards. It's very similar. And I like it. It really feels good in the hand. I'll put a link in the description. If you want to buy this, we do get a small commission, but let me tell you, I don't even think I got one yet, because it's not very popular for people to click or click on them and buy something through it. But whatever the case may be, if you happen to want to, go ahead. It'll bring you right to Amazon, and the knife that is in the video you can buy. Alright, so thanks for your time. Have a great day. This is Doug from Dark Water North saying, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the button right down here and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.